Okay, it's just Jane and I today, heading up the road. Can't give you too much information about where we're going because we're working on the secret site connectors. It's a beautiful morning, about 70 degrees. Nice breeze, about maybe 15 miles an hour. Perfect day for hiking. Okay, we're off the road. We're in the bush. This is a trail we previously cleaned a couple of weeks ago, running along one of the two streams. You see a little waterfall action here. Okay, I thought I'd throw the camera back on for a couple, maybe a minute or so here. Got a nice wall over here, yeah. So again, we're on the up trail for the upcoming Walls, Water and Walls trail. This is the first water part. The stream is off to the right. Not a lot to see right now, but the trail's in very good shape. The hunters have been using it, as I said the last time we came up here. Another wall coming up. Nice Hawaiian agricultural terrace. Not very big, but enough to make some level land for them to grow whatever on. Okay, got across the stream here. I thought this would be a nice place to do a little video. Nice little waterfall. It'd be nice to clean it up someday so it looks a little better. And I think it's easier to just walk right in the water instead of messing with the rock. Yeah, there's ginger growing up there. Now the trail climbs, and then it'll go down, if I remember, it goes down at another little waterfall. Okay, how's that for a nice little waterfall? Just a couple of feet in the little gully. Look at the walls. Huh? We are in a tight little spot. It's really neat the way the cocoon branches just twist every which way. Okay, we left the stream and we're checking out a side trail. Cuts up the ridge, the Hunter's Trail. Hunters don't go much up the stream, but you come to some waterfalls that the dogs can't climb. So they come up this way. And we're just checking this out. We know what trail it is on the top. But we just don't know where this trail hits the trail on top that we know. So at this point it's just a lot of grass. I think I'll turn around and look back. Yeah. Oh, look at that silk oak tree and flower. All those beautiful orange flowers. Okay, we hit the trail at the top of that one. We left the stream. We know where it comes up. It's on a major trail. But I'm not going to tell you what trail it is. Because we're trying to keep this whole thing a secret until the entire trail is finished. But we are on a section of one of the major Waianae Valley trails. Okay, we're here at Secret Site. Many of you have seen this before. We have not revealed the path to get here. But whoever lived here definitely did a lot of work. And they must have lived here for quite some time to spend this much energy piling up these rock walls. And some information we got the other week that really helps to identify this as a post-contact site is the fact that the walls are vertical. We were told that when the Hawaiians built the terrace, there was a tendency to have their walls on a slight backward slope towards the high side of the wall. And the Caucasians or Europeans built their walls a little more vertical, like this is. We're going to take a short break over here, and then we're going to try to start blazing a new trail over towards Secret Site 2. Yes, there's even dog track here.